Welcome back to the channel, guys. So change is great, advancement is awesome, advancement in technology is super awesome. You understand? So we're seeing now where over the past 15 to 20 years the advancement in cell phones has been remarkable. These cell phones now are brilliant. We call them smartphones. You understand? But with the advent of smartphones, I am seeing a trend where persons who are owners of these smart devices are actually becoming dumber. So I'm going to be exploring the dumb persons with smartphone syndrome in this video. We're seeing where these persons are losing themselves in these phones. We're seeing where they are making rash decisions and getting themselves in all sorts of problems because of the use of cell phones and social media platforms. So the new craze is social media, whether it is Facebook, whether it is Twitter, whether it is IG, whether it is YouTube, or it is Snapchat, or some people still use Flickr and all sorts of some. There are so many of them. You understand? And we have immersed ourselves in these social media platforms, however, to the detriment of ourselves, to the detriment of our relationships, our family structure, and in many cases, to our lives. You understand what I say? I mean, you see so many things on a daily basis where persons have misused these platforms and these devices that it's crazy, yo. So as the social media craze grows, we see where one-on-one socialization and intrapersonal and interpersonal socialization is on the decline because people just don't really get together like that again. You understand what I say? Everybody is a few clicks away, and then now you have a situation where it is affecting families and relationships. Many relationships would have ended because of cell phone. You understand what I say? A wife or a husband gives somebody the number and link make and text start change and call start make, and before you know it, people start cheat. You understand what I say? Or people get jealous and them just mash up some phone or mash up some people, and sometimes people die. You understand what I say? As simple as you see it, that has caused the death of persons before, and it will continue to cause the deaths of persons. And that's what I say, especially with the whole killing of women recent time in Jamaica. I mean, the phone is one of the issues that is triggering some of these madmen to be killing our women. You understand what I say? So we need to be cognizant of that. We need to ensure that our phones do not mess with our relationships. If we know that there's going to be some form of conflict, then I could try to avoid it, no man. You understand what I say? Be smarter than the phone when I get in trouble now. Then we're seeing also where the social media craze is leading to so many other things. You understand what I say? You have men and women who lurk, who stalk these pages, seeking out impressionable minds. You understand what I say? Luring them to all parts of the country. We see, I saw somewhere where somebody left from St. James to come to Halfway Tree to meet somebody. School, as we are talking about, you know, because of Facebook. You understand what I say? Many young ladies and young men would have gone way out of their own geographical bounds to meet people, and some of them just never return because of social media. You understand what I say? So we need to try step back and look forward. You understand? Instead of go forward and look back. Then we need to be more careful. You understand what I say? The social media thing again now, regular you see girls on social media cuss out them one another, and by the time you hear it say they meet up a road and fight, go on it, man on social media chuck the man, and by the time you hear say man get page and man dead and them something there. Why? You understand what I say? Then I see another situation now where everybody is in the eye. Everybody wants to snap. Everybody wants to go live on Facebook. You understand what I say? Everybody. Zane, and we're not wary of certain things. When you go live on Facebook, the whole world can see what you're doing and what you're doing and who did it. So if a man decides, say, yo, him like how you look and him feel like, say, him a come circle your ends, you give him everything. You understand me? I say, you have people who are stalking you and watch you from a long time and study you. Oh, you know, right now I'm home, I'm bored, you understand me alone there, everybody gone. And you give up your life because we're not sensible to your thing. You understand me? I say, everything we do with snap, current situation, me I got the bathroom, me I got toilet, everything we do. You understand me? I say, you know, say, me I left from my yard now and me I got this up. Why? People don't need to know them or something. See, then there are some people you know where every detail of them life and them relationship, in them WhatsApp status, in them Facebook status, upon them Twitter page, upon them IG page, everybody know them life, everybody know them story, them life is an open book. You understand what I say? We are be fooled to the technology. You understand what I say? When we get caught up in, there are some people who every single thing them do, it posted. See a man what they must allegedly kill whosoever, them say police, and them post it. You understand what I mean? After all illegal gun, see the man them lose it. You understand what they say? The man now hold no men's again because of social media and the hype. You understand what I say? Let go for the hype, no man, the hype are gonna make we lose, we lie.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
So we're seeing again where many accidents have occurred because of people texting and driving, people talking on the phone and driving, answering the phone, fidgeting with the phone. You understand what I say? Because we have to make a Facebook update, we have to make a WhatsApp text, we have to take this, we have to do that. Nah man, put on your phone when you're driving, man. You understand what I say? Or stop and do what you have to do if you have to do it, if it's so important. You understand what I say? Make we stop give away life now, man. Then you have the next people them now. As me, what me personally call it is the the dumb people with smartphone syndrome. Every single thing them record and post. You understand? Car accident and man are dead. Them are record instead of them try help man. Man get shot, them are record instead of them try help man. Them having sex, them are record it. You understand? Them everything them record and share, and then it mess up them lives. You understand? And you have the girls that want to sit down and make the man them continuously record them some little waste man. You understand what I say? And them things they mash up them life. Some ladies never recover from them things when these videos and pictures are shared because the devices they won't have smarter than we. You understand? And we still play the fool. We're seeing a situation now where there's a breakdown in communication and writing skills because everything with social media is short-handed. Every word is shortened. So some persons are so in tune and are unable to disassociate the social media from the actual daily lives where them live or lead. And so you have kids now where when them are write, they write in R-A-R-E and them just write the letter R. You understand? V-T-H-E and it's just the letter D. You understand what I say? Them T-H-E-M-D-E-M. You understand what I say? Everything is short. You understand? It is so bad now that persons are starting to reach a stage where them can't spell no more. You understand what I say? Because everything is shortened and these are the things where people are fail exams. You understand? These are the things where we can't hold a decent conversation. These are the things where we can't write anything at all sensibly these days because we are no longer able to express ourselves in the correct way because social media has lead us into a short form lifestyle. Yeah, that's what I say. So communication has taken a hit. Zane, I don't know, yeah, man. I don't know. The situation is grave. We need for step back as me and say and analyze the thing and be wise about the thing and stop make them phone and devices a rule. Yeah, some people when them up on the road, earphone and them ears, them oblivious to everything what going around them. So I saw someone we get robbed, you know. You understand? In the phone, we can't come out of the phone. Man, so we are walking around with this expensive phone, just come take it from me and in some cases kill we because we're not wise and we're not street smart. You understand? And the device them we have smarter than we. Another aspect of the cell phone craze we're seeing where criminals now are using it to their advantage. You understand what I say? I mean, a man can text a man and say, yo, you know, say X just left the location here, so him going to reach him yard about XYZ, so just lay with him. You understand? Or a man can text and say, yo, police they this, you know, so avoid this, or police they on them way, you know. You understand what I say? Or a boy just this me, you know, so come here, son, XYZ, and in a quick time, people lose them lives. You understand what I say? So, the technology is awesome. You understand what I say? Smartphones are awesome. Right now, I am recording this on a smartphone. I will be editing this on a smartphone. I'll be uploading this on a smartphone. You understand what I say? So the benefits are awesome. You understand? One touch and you talk to your family in Africa. You understand what I say? One touch and you can send a picture to your mother miles away. You see what I say? However, we need to be more wise as how we utilize and employ these things as a part of our daily lives. You understand? Because they have the potential to destroy us, to destroy our families, to destroy our lives. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.